Welcome to EKTV. Today, a moderate magnitude earthquake was occurred in Turkey. The quake hits Turkey today, 10 March 2022, at a very shallow depth. European Mediterranean Seismological Center is the first agency to report this quake with the magnitude 3.3, and German Research Center for Geosciences also report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. If you like our videos, then please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.